Hello, my name is Bryan, and I'm going to be talking about accounting and the accounting degree. College is a very challenging and stressful time. Finding a job after graduation can be an even more difficult task. In a book titled Not All College Degrees Are Made Equally by Anthony Carnevale, Bon Chi, and Jeff Stroll, talk about various college degrees and their statistics about high earners, high earnings, and also the unemployment rate. More specifically, accountants were at the group of the highest earners and also in the group of the lowest unemployment rates. An accounting degree is one of the best degrees statistically to have, and it's one of the most versatile degrees in the workforce. Accounting is consistently at the top of the degrees that produce high wages and also advancement opportunities. So, a little bit about my credibility on this field and on this topic is that I'm in the process of getting my business administration accounting degree, and I've also researched extensively on what are the best degrees to have after graduation and what produce the best results. So the three things that I'll be talking about are what is accounting, the versatility of the degree, and also fun facts about accounting. Accounting is the recording of financial transactions of a business and corporation or organization. Accountants have to summarize, analyze, and report business transactions. They do this in the form of financial statements. These statements include income statement, balance sheet, retained earnings, cash flows, and others. There are rules and regulations accountants have to follow. In the United States, this is called GAAP, generally accepted accounting principles. So these statements are important because they help business leaders and managers dictate future plans and actions in order for the business to grow and strive and be a healthy business. They also make statements for investors, auditors, and also the IRS. Accountants can become CPAs, which are certified public accountants. They take a series of tests to get this title. CPAs make more money than the average accountant because they're seen as more experienced and also more educated because of the very challenging and excruciating tests they have to go through. Now that I've talked about the basic information of accounting and the role and its role in business, next I'll talk about the job opportunities that accountants can get. An accounting degree can be used in various jobs, and it's also a very highly promotable major. Every business needs an accountant, so there's always going to be a demand for them. Some accounting positions include certified public accountant, accounting manager, financial banker, chief financial banker, and much more. Accountants can work in a medical firm, a tax firm, for a corporation, a nonprofit, and also the CIA. In a peer-reviewed journal article named Making College Worth It by Philip Oriopoulos, in this research, he found that managers and professionals were the highest earners when it comes to bachelor's and graduate degrees. As I stated before, that accountants can become managers. They also follow under the criteria of professionals. So I've spoken about accounting, the basics of accounting, and also the versatility of the degree. Now I'm going to share a few fun facts about accounting. So some famous and well-known accountants are Luca Pacioli, who was a mathematician in the 15th century that collaborated with Leonardo da Vinci. He also taught him math lessons. He's known as the father of accounting because he made the double entry system in accounting. Secondly is J.P. Morgan. He was first an accountant on Wall Street, then became a banking and corporate pioneer. Thirdly is John D. Rockefeller. He was a bookkeeper in his younger years before he became a business magnate from oil. He is also regarded as the richest man in American history. So I've talked about some of the basics of accounting, the versatility of the degree, and also some fun facts about accounts throughout history. An accounting degree is one of the best degrees to have, and it's one of the most versatile degrees in the workforce. Accounting is the basis of all business. Without accounting, we would not have business as we know it today. Every aspect of business relies on the financial transactions and the financial statements that accountants record and give to the managers and higher ups in a business. in order for them to strive and be healthy. Thank you for listening to my presentation. I hope you learned something new.